take off.
Hello everybody, this is Goldie Maya with your daily tech tips and tricks, and today I'll be going to discuss you about the features and working of wondershare filmora, one of the most popular video designers software. So let's get into this. Now as you can see on the home screen of filmora, I've got two options, easy mode and full feature mode. I'll go through both. Let's first go into the easy mode. As you can see, it's a 4:3 mode. So let's see how it works. Here you'll have to import a file. Let's get one from my folder of YouTube. So this is one of my previous ones that I've created earlier. Let's see, now it's appeared. Now I can select my theme, what kind of theme I want, and I could also download it from the internet. I could also select music, preview, and at last I can also I can also save and share. Now let's see what else we can do with the second one. Now as you can see, I am entering the full feature mode. Now full feature mode is a kind of bit difficult to understand in the start, but you'll get it as you start using it. Now as you see, there is whole black screen, and if you are kind of a person who doesn't like darkness around you, you can convert it into light one. I like the dark one pretty much because it let me see colors more brightly, so I'll continue with that. Now let's see how it works. I had my intro over here. I'll just paste it in there and I could play it right now. One more feature you need to know about filmora: at the time of editing you may not see your applications working that much pretty well, but after the working is finished and your video is converted, it looks awesome. So now see some more features. As you can see, I can also add images, songs. It's the song bar, so you can select as many songs you like. And if I want to hear two songs at a time, I'll just paste it into the down one. So let's see how it works. Click start. And also if I want to lower the volume of this one, click this one. So I'll just go to the music icon, and as you can see, I have all the control options from video to music too. Just slide the music to down, start. As you can see, this one is not playing right now. Delete it. Now let's move on to the next features. I could also add custom music from it, but I'll also have to download when I connect to the internet. So I didn't download it because I didn't like them that much. I also got text and credit buttons, so I could add text to my filmora and also decide what shape, what color, what everything else I want. I can also do one more thing, is I could decide transition, I could decide filters, overlays, elements, split screen, and export it to any format I add. Now let me show one other thing. Sometimes you want a picture to appear on the corner of your photo, and it's not possible with normal video editing software. So you can, in filmora, you can just click this icon here drop it down. Let me see. So you just need to grab it and drop it down here. As you can see, it's now appeared here. I could just drag it down, and you doesn't need to do this step. I just did accidentally. What you need is to just drop from here to here. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Let's just minimize it a bit. So this is our wondershare filmora's tutorial. If you like it, click that subscribe button and click like. Thank you, and I'll be back with some of my new future videos.